welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and I will be unboxing this box right over here. So I received this box from a company called Tokyo Treat, I believe. Yeah, Tokyo Treat. So if you can't already tell from the name, this is a Japanese shop. So if you're not new to my channel, then you will know that my channel focuses a lot on Korean beauty and Korean fashion, but I'm also actually really interested in Japanese makeup. Like, I feel like if I ever had the chance to go to Japan, I will definitely do a lot of research and definitely buy like a lot of Japanese makeup and beauty products. So yeah, today they have sent me this box, and it's basically a Japanese subscription box. I have done a similar video for a similar company before, and it's also like a Japanese subscription box, and they have a lot of different kinds. There's like beauty boxes, like food boxes. So obviously this is a beauty channel, so I received the beauty box. So I'm not sure what this stands for, like NMNL, but I think it's like a series of their box. So this is kind of like the lifestyle slash beauty box. So yeah, I actually haven't opened this, even though I received this like a week ago. So I'm super excited to do this unboxing, so let's go along and unbox this together. Okay, so let's open it together. Okay, so this is what is included in this box. It comes with a booklet, and the previous subscription box that I did a video of also came with a booklet, and it's really helpful because a lot of the things inside are written in Japanese. So if you don't know Japanese like me, this is really helpful for you to know what product it is, because a lot of Japanese products, they are very innovative and they look very different and special, so you can get very confused over what the item is for if you don't have this booklet. So this is very important. So apart from that, it also comes with all these goodies. So there are a total of 6 products in this box, so let's quickly dive into them and see what we've got. Okay, so NMNL basically stands for No Make No Life. I might be pronouncing it wrong, I don't know, because it might be Japanese, so it might be NOMAKENOLIFE. There's like an ad here, so I'm not sure, like, I'm pretty sure this is not the name of the shop, because I'm very sure that the name of the shop is Tokyo Treat. I'm sorry, I should have done like a more thorough research. But yeah, I'm super excited about the products, so let's just dive into them. Okay, so for the very first item, we have a silicone makeup puff, and I think this is pretty straightforward. I don't need the booklet for this. But yeah, it's from this brand called Chasseur, or is it Chara? Chara Drop. And this is very Japanese looking because it has a Hello Kitty print on it. So yeah, I'm not like a huge fan of Hello Kitty, but I think it's a really cute touch, and if you like Hello Kitty, I think you will like this. I personally am not a huge fan of silicone puffs, but I think now that I have another one, I might try it out again. I've used silicone puffs, and I think the reason why I don't like them as much as my beauty blender is because it doesn't absorb any product, which is why I tend to over put products, which is supposed to be a good thing, but I just over put products on my face and I'll end up like having too much on my skin. But yeah, I did have an occasion where I enjoyed using a silicone puff, and that is when I'm blending out like a cream contour, because you know, it's different from foundation. You don't like over put cream contours, I guess. So yeah, I think if you are new to silicone puffs, the most important thing is just to take note of how much product you put on your skin. So yeah, this is just silicone puff. It's very silicone-ish, and it's in this beauty blender shape, which is like a teardrop shape. So there's a tip so you can blend like under your eye. It feels pretty good. And then there is like the bigger portion here where you can blend the rest of your makeup. Okay, so the next item is this, and this one has Rula Kuma print on it, and I think this just looks like a pack of oil blotters. I might be wrong, so let me whip out my booklet. Oh yeah, I'm right. So this is the Rula Kuma blotting paper. It is a highly requested item and it's perfect to help keep your skin free of oil as you go about your day. This blotting paper has a pop-up shape that makes it super easy to use and features a cute Rula Kuma design. So I'm going to open it and use it because I think my skin's a little bit oily. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and pull one. So I'm just going to pull one out and see what happens. Cool. It's actually quite big. Like, look. Like, I think usually blotting papers are only like this size maybe, but this is like really big. And I'm sure you guys can see the blotting paper has Rula Kuma on it, so I'm going to blot my oil with it right now. The only thing I can see on the blotting paper is like my foundation. But yeah, it is picking up the oils on my skin. Yeah. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, it did pick up my foundation as well as the oils on my skin. So this one has 50 pieces of blotting paper. Moving on to the next item, we have this, and I have completely no idea what this is. This has won some kind of award. It's like first place, and it's peaches. So I'm not sure what this is. I need the booklet. Okay, so this is a peach body scrub soap. I'm really excited about this one because it's peach and I like things that has the smell of peach, and I think this one will smell very peachy. It comes in this really cute heart shape. I like the shape. Oh my god, it smells really good. I like the smell of it. Okay, it's a bit like the smell of soap mixed with peach. Yeah, and it's a very smooth soap, so I'm not really sure about the scrubbing abilities, but yeah. But I think it's a really good size and shape to like grab hold of and use. The next product is this one, and this is an eyeshadow palette from Dolly Wing, which is a brand that we have here in Singapore, and I believe I've bought their fake eyelashes before. I think they are very popular here in Singapore. So this is an eyeshadow palette in the shade 02 Pink Brown. So it looks like that. I'm just going to open it and swatch it. I have never used their eyeshadows before. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's very slim and it's very light. It's made out of this plasticky material. So let's open it. This is how it looks like. No mirror, but it's pretty cute, I guess. So it has a total of 4 shades and it has a little sponge applicator. So I am going to swatch these. The colors are not really the type I will use. This is like a really cool pink, and this is like a champagne color. This is a brown, and this is like a really dark green. So I'm going to swatch these eyeshadows on my arm. Starting with this one. It feels quite rough. So this is the shade of the pink. Then it's very rough. Like, it's not really like creamy or buttery like the Western eyeshadows. I'm going to swatch it here. Can't really tell because it's so light and it's quite like flaky because of how not buttery it is. The brown is a lot smoother. So this is the swatch of the brown. Yeah, it's definitely smoother, and I think it's because these two shades are like glittery shades. So I think they have like the glitter flakes in it or something, I don't know. But this one is like more of a shimmer eyeshadow, so it doesn't have the flakiness in it. Yeah, so let's swatch the very last color. This is also a shimmer looking eyeshadow shade. Oh, it's not really a dark green, it's like dark brown. So yeah, sorry my swatches are like all over the place, but yeah, this is how it looks like. The lighter shades are not very pigmented, as you can see, and they are very flaky. I think I can definitely use the brown eyeshadow. I think these shades are very like Japanese, like I can imagine like Japanese girls wearing these shades, but I personally won't use these shades because I think they are too cool tone for my skin. Like the pink and the champagne are a little bit too cool tone, and I have a warm skin tone. Moving on, we are left with two products, and I am so excited about these products because they look like something I have completely never seen before. So starting with this one, this is a padding cotton swab. Look at this. What is this? This is like a gigantic cotton bud, and there are 5 pieces in it. So I'm just going to whip out the booklet and see what this is. Okay, so these are a new hot item in Japan, and these swabs are easy to use as they are 12 centimeters long and are filled with 3 grams of beauty essence toner per stick. So they are best used after washing your face to ensure a nice moisturized skin that will leave your skin looking amazing. So yeah, these are toners in cotton, like huge cotton swabs. I think these are meant for traveling, like if you're traveling for like 3 days 2 nights, then this might be something that you want to bring. Or if you are going to the gym, this will be really handy because you don't have to bring your entire toner. But one pack only contains 5 swabs, so you can only use it 5 times, which I personally think is a little bit less. I mean, I'm not sure how much this pack costs, but I mean, I don't know what to say about this. It's like, it's convenient, but at the same time, it's not really, because it only has 5, and the packaging is resealable, which is great. So even though I do not have clean face at the moment, I'm just going to try one because I'm excited to see how it's like. And apparently the formula of the toner is supposed to make your skin feel moisturized and amazing. Oh my god. Literally just looks like a stick with a cotton ball at the end. It's quite heavy because of how soaked it is. I'm not sure why it has to be in this shape. I think it's just for fun because I feel like it's quite small, so it will take a while to cover your entire face with it, but it does feel quite nice. It's very cooling, even though I didn't store this in like a really cold place. Oh, now I wish I have clean skin so I can use this on my skin. But yeah, I have a couple of makeup on my hand and it's removing it, so that is a very good sign. The only thing is that it's just a really funny way to apply toners. Like, I imagine myself bringing this to the gym, and I can imagine myself standing there and just going like and then people are just going to wonder like, what the hell am I doing? But yeah, I think it's cute definitely because it's from Japan, and you know, they always have to do something so extra, so in a sense I really like it and I think it's very cute. I'm really curious to know how much is one pack right now, so I might go and search and like put the price like somewhere over here if I manage to find how much this is. But yeah, it's really cute. So we're down to our very last item, and it is this shampoo bubbling net. Okay, so it's like this, I don't know what to call it. It's like a piece of cloth and it has a net inside of it, and outside it's like a really synthetic feeling bag. It just looks like this. There's no opening or whatsoever, it's just this cloth. You can hang this like somewhere in your bathroom, and basically it's supposed to help foam up your shampoo. As easy as that. So let me just read more about it. Simply wet the net, add your shampoo and rub the net together to create a bubbly lather. Apply this lather to your hair for a washing experience that will keep your scalp healthy. This net can also be used with soaps and body wash as well. So it's basically a cloth that helps to lather up your shampoos and your soap and your body wash. I've never had troubles lathering my shampoos, but I think for some shampoos or some like body soaps, especially those like really gel and thick ones, they can be a little bit difficult to lather up, and I am the kind of person who likes very foamy body wash and like shampoos and stuff. So I think this will really help, and I'm really excited to try it. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to clean it though, because it has like 2 layers and the first layer seems to be quite thick, I feel like. So yeah, I don't know, but that's really extra as well. I will never thought of getting a shampoo bubbling net. So those are all the items that are in the box I received. I think there are a really good mix of products. Like there are the cute products from Japan, like the Hello Kitty silicone puff, and there's the Rilakkuma blotting paper, and there are the fun, innovative and like extra stuff like this, and the cotton swabs, and I think they also have the non-crazy or like more normal products like the eyeshadows and this soap. So yeah, I think there's a really good mix of like interesting products and like cute products and normal products. I feel like these products, especially like the padding cotton swab and this shampoo bubbling net, I think it's kind of impossible to just buy them somewhere online from Singapore. So I think like for these items, it's really fun to receive them in these like specifically or specially curated Japanese subscription boxes. So yeah, if you're interested to know more about these subscription boxes, I'll leave their shop link in the description box below so you can check them out. And we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!